All right, Mark Deering here with REMAX, and we're with Sarah Rodenhouse from Emerald Landscapes.
Yep.
And they are awesome landscaper that did a lot of our personal house, and it's one of our preferred landscapers. So we wanted to kind of show you a little bit about what they do and how long they've been in business and how they can help you potentially. So how long have you guys been in business, and tell us a little bit about you guys yourself.
Well, we've been in business for about 19 years. Started out primarily just hydro seeding and installing lawns, and we've just grown over the years into landscaping, irrigation, hardscapes, pretty much anything outside. We've just slowly expanded, and here we are today.
Yeah, they do a great job. Behind us here, they did all of this with is this called flagstone?
Ledgestone or outcroppings. Yep.
Okay, but they're really good. They show you a design. You guys picked all of the actual plants so the deer wouldn't eat them.
Yes.
And that they blossom at different times of the year.
We provide a design as far as if we're involving, plantings and landscaping, or for patios. And there's usually a little back and forth. I'll kind of put forward what I think would be a great place to start. And then we'll work with the homeowners and just go back and forth if there's certain things that they prefer or different issues with the setting also.
So this is an example of a fire ring that you guys designed and set up. It's a bigger one. You guys had told me to go a little bit bigger so that you could actually have people walk around the back and the outside.
A little bigger is the way to go. I mean, if you're going to bring people out here and gather, I think this is a great size. This is a 20-foot across with, I think, a 36-inch fire pit ring.
Yep.
So it works out great for large gatherings.
We've had probably 15, 20 people around this, and it didn't feel like we were on top of each other. Everybody's chairs could stay on the patio part. We like to do a lot of the outdoor kitchens, basically outdoor living in general.
Yep, kind of get you outside of the walls of your house. I mean, there's so much more potential outside to create additional living area and usable space. So sometimes it just takes a little bit, putting a little bit into it, but it's worth it.
I'm a huge fan of it. It almost doubles the size of your house because you have that much more space to hang out. And in Michigan, we only have so many months we get to use it, but it's still...
Yeah, I mean, you got to take advantage of it, and it just is great just if you have family and friends, I mean, just to get everybody together.
A lot of our clients, we send you out to get ready for listings, to get the house ready, rebark the outside, or do a spring cleanup. You guys have been helping us with that, and then when the pictures come out, they're outstanding.
Well, I think that makes a huge difference as far as first impressions. I mean, driving up to a house where everything's overgrown and there's weeds and it just looks a mess, it ages the house and it just doesn't present as well. So just a little bit into it as far as a quick cleanup, I think makes a big difference.
Huge difference. If you guys want to contact Emerald Landscapes direct, you can call them at a certain number?
Yep, it's 616-791-0231. That's our office line. And then you can find us on Facebook, Emerald Landscapes Inc., or email. But all that information is on our Facebook page also.
Appreciate you spending some time with us.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you.
Thanks.